Okay guys, so we tried the large and it was so close, but it's just too high on the inside. So the reason for that is that builders will always look at the shortcuts most of the time. And then back in the sort of mid-18th century, if you're building 1,000 homes and you know that that chamber needs to come all the way down, you don't need a huge smoke chamber in there. What they'll do is they'll take the flue a bit higher, so they're saving 100 bricks or so building the fireplace properly. On a house with 6 fireplaces, that's 600 bricks, and they do that over 1,000 homes. They're saving a lot of money. So we're sort of dealing with that issue now. So the reason we've got this very, very large Chimella, as you can see, against the chimney breast is huge, but it will adapt itself to the inside of it. So what we're going to do is make it really easy and just pop this one on the inside. So all we're going to do again is we're going to bring that down like so. It's already semi-opened like that, and it's raring to open. I'm just going to put it on the inside. I'm going to kneel down here. Trusty cushion to stop the old achy knees going. That's going to go on the inside. It's just opening out, nicely opening out. Done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.